Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to remove default faults in Roblox Avatar. In Roblox, we need to refine it more. Pleasing to remove our default avatar or default faults of our avatar. So what we need to do is just to follow some steps I'm going to show you. So let me show you the steps you can follow. The first one is to access the avatar editor on the Roblox main page. Click your avatar icon and select the avatar from menus. Then in the avatar editor, you will see various categories like shirts, pants, hair, etc. Look for the default clothing items within these categories. Select the default item you want to remove. Move the where this slider to know to remove the item, and you can also find the items in the recent tab, which lists the items you have recently worn. So yeah, in this way you can just remove default faults in Roblox Avatar. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.